welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'll be showing you these really cool shelves that you can put on the wall in your kitchen, your bathroom, maybe even your room. It is available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. The first one, here is the back side, and then the side, front view, and then on the inside. So these are made out of aluminium and it is quite durable. It's not flimsy at all, and then it also has water drains, so it's perfect for the bathroom or the kitchen if you maybe have like oils or any bathroom essentials that you wanted to store away. They are quite big, so lots of storage space. And then I'm going to show you the bottom piece, top piece, whatever you want to call it. The second piece has a rail attached to it. Now you can use this for your towels, you can use it for paper towels, maybe hanging it with hooks. You can basically hang anything on here. It's also quite durable and I think it can bear quite a big weight. So also again, inside, side, and then the back view. This is quite durable, especially for aluminium. I would say that it is not flimsy at all, and then this would be perfect to use in the kitchen or the bathroom. It is a drill-free solution, so you don't have to go drilling into any walls to hang these. All you have to do is take these grids, make sure that this piece is shown up and then the grid lines are facing back. So you're going to open up the package that is included with both these shelves, and then you're going to take out this self-adhesive tube. What you're going to do is place the adhesive thoroughly all over these grid lines. Make sure it is quite thick. Before you do any of this, please make sure that the walls are clean, and then you place it onto the wall with this grid having a slight opening at the back. Once you have waited 72 hours, you can place your shelf. At the end, it will look something like this. Then this will be the front view, and there are no holes drilled. It is very easy and very convenient to use. You do not have to worry about it having adhesive assembly. We can ensure you that the self-adhesive is quite durable, and then if you stick to under the weight capacity, I'm sure you'll have no problem. And we look forward to seeing these units inside your home. Remember, they are available online at www.heartdeco.co.za.